Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Hajra. Today we are reading Sesame Street, Monster in the House. So let's get started. Hello in there. It is I, your furry little friend Grover. Is there a monster in this kitchen? I hear clanking. I am twitching. Oh, it is the Fix-It Man working on the sink. What is that squeaking sound? Is it in the hall? Oh dear! See if you can find him, and I will stay back here. Peekaboo! Ha ha ha! Is there a monster in the parlor? Do I hear one here somewhere? It is just a granny monster brushing up her monster hair. Is there a monster in the bathroom? Grover is so full of dread. It is only Henry's uncle with a very soapy head. What is that bumping, thumping in the bedroom? Oh, good grief! A red rompy monster on the bed. What a relief! And what about the playroom? There are places here to hide. Oh, look! A creaky, rocking horse for monster tots to ride. Are there monsters in the garden? See, some hiding in a tree. And I think there is another picking out you and me. And all these friendly monsters make one happy family. The end. Bye.